Yo, what's up today? Just wake up and heading to have a breakfast. Obviously looking for the garden, it's very nice, nice weather. Today after breakfast I'm going to Gili Trawangan. Many people of you was waiting probably when I'm gonna go to Gili. I will go to one Gili probably because it's already a day trip, but we will see one or two Gilis. For sure Gili Trawangan because it's the most alive, but about that I will talk more. Alright, so after breakfast going to Gili Trawangan, my friend is waiting outside the hotel because of the security didn't allow him to come to Sheraton. Could you imagine that? That's actually a very normal thing, but so sad. Yo, what's up, brother?
I'm not allowed to come inside, bro, to pick you up.
We arrived to the Bangsal harbor. As you can see, you will see something like this. This is like a sea lamp. This is diet, and this is the counter of ticket, and you get like a green ticket, something like this. It's cost me only 15k, right?
Yeah.
It's 15k, $1. So that's
right,
cool. Okay, see you later, Diet, and yeah, he will pick me up later from Gili. Today, later. Alright, just arrived to Gili Trawangan. That's how it looks over here. Check this out. Hello, brother, what's up?
What you doing, brother?
I don't know, I just go to make a video and come back to Lombok.
Oh, really?
Yeah!
Where are you from?
I'm from Poland, man.
Poland? Nice,
Yeah. Alright. So, that's how it looks. Like always, good vibes, everybody are very friendly and happy. One thing, I need to find a bicycle now because you cannot have car or bikes in Gili Islands, so only the horse cars like this one, bicycles, or just simply walk. Okay, so negotiations. My mask on negotiations. Well, I just got my bag with this lovely guy. He wants to sell me the snorkeling trips, but you know, guys, I not swim. But I got nice bag. It's very busy, my friend. How is the life in Gili? Many people?
Just local people.
Just local people,
tourists.
yeah,
Not
local
so many,
tourists.
not so many.
I only one white person here.
Yeah,
What you said? Snorkeling trips like this.
You will swim with a turtle, guaranteed turtle. And to the statue underwater.
Oh, I forgot. Yeah, because in Trawangan you can find like a statue under the water,
Yeah,
turtle, fishes,
fishing,
and maybe sharks.
the horse.
And horse also in Gili you can only drive the bicycle like this one. No motorbikes, no cars, only horse car.
And only here for the food, local food.
Yeah, and oh, a local food. Hello, girls. This is local food. Oh, very nice and lovely ladies.
Pisang goreng good. No. Bebek tahu. No, ayam suir.
Hey, what's that?
Cumi.
Chumi?
I don't know what is it, but looks
Ini
very
buka
nice.
buka nih buka.
Buka ya.
No.
Oh, nice. Oh, this is spicy. Panas ya?
Nah, tidak panas.
No, tidak panas ya. Are you sure ya? Eggs, very nice. This eggs looks spicy, but they are very nice. Noodles.
Ini capcay.
Capcay. Okay, this lady.
Alright, I just got the cheaper bike. Normally bike is 50k, I got this for 30k, just I'm here for half day. Also I make them some kind of advertising, whatever it is, doesn't matter. So bike's normal price for everyone is 30k, 50k sorry, around. Now I have my bike, yellow, maybe I'm not gonna lose it. I will go around Gili and we will see how is the situation over here, but as you see the people are so friendly. Also it's very quiet, some constructions. We will see. I mount also my GoPro over here, so this is very handy, and also I will fly drone because that's why I carry this bag. But you can see, if you have you ever been in Gili Trawangan, this is the center of Gili Trawangan actually, and normally over here is really a lot of people, really like very busy, but right now it's totally empty and many businesses here are just closed. That's kinda sad. Few white people here, but that's the people only who escaped from Bali, because Gili Trawangan is the island. Gili Islands are free of this stuff, you know what I mean? So that's how it looks basically. But also some people have businesses here. However, everything is very close here and very empty at the beginning, just as I can see. I also recording by GoPro, so I will show you more shots from the first view person, but as you can see behind me, there's really nobody here. This is the center of Gili Trawangan, the most busier island. I was only one white person on the boat. Normally it's a lot of people. So yeah, basically that's how it looks, and it's very hot. Also here, everything. And Gili Trawangan have very beautiful beaches, places for snorkeling, few hotels. It's really a wonderful place. I will have to find a grab, drink somewhere, fly drone, and I will show you around. Behind me is the Pondok Sandy, one of the best and the most expensive at the same time hotels in Gili Trawangan. They have villas and everything, beachfront. Here is the beach. As I see, they do some renovations in the garden. I mean, it's no grass. Before was the beautiful grass. I think they are closed because also they are closed, or maybe the bar is only open, I'm not sure, but it's completely literally nobody here. Look, if you have you ever been in Gili, you know, as everywhere is around, it's so many people, but look, at the end now, literally is nobody here. a lot of constructions over here. This is the beachfront. I mean, the beach is behind this fence, so that means there's a lot of beachfront constructions, new hotel, restaurants. This one for sure hotel, and just beginning. So as you can see, the Gili still is preparing for the boom of the tourist rides. Like a lot of people will come. For sure that's gonna happen. Everywhere here, as you can see, Malibu Beach Club. It's supposed to be beach clubs, bars, warungs on the beach where you can have a drink, food. Everything, literally everything is closed. I come to Gili Trawangan because it's the biggest island, the most popular one. He said that the Gili Trawangan will be the most busier because Gili Air, Gili Meno is completely nothing is happening there. Is no people, only local people left. Few tourists, maybe one restaurant only open. So here is actually not much better, but at least in the city, as you saw, is some life. But here behind me over there is the Lombok Sunset, brand new hotel. They was under construction where I was last time. It's finished, but it's totally abandoned. I mean, nobody's here, not even security guy who will look after that. That's unbelievable, but that's how it looks. Behind me is the new place, Pearl Sunset. Beautiful bamboo construction, swimming pool, but it's totally empty. Totally abandoned. I think it's not finished yet. Or maybe it's finished, but when they finish, the scrap started. Literally, it's nobody over here when I drive already 1/4 of island. And the beach is also a little bit dirty, I have to say, but natural dirt, like stones, leaves, because nobody even cleaning that. It's no people here. It's actually quite a strange feeling, you know? I found a shop what is open. Already exhausted at all, at max. But I have to make it. Mostly for you. Empty. It's a little bit already. Put ice water on my face. Feel much better, and as you can see, it's literally nothing is happening here. It's nobody. It's totally like a feeling like a ghost island. You know what I mean? Very strange feeling. But it's literally nobody here. Everywhere around. Here is the warungs, restaurants, bars. It's like totally abandoned. Check this out. The places like this are everywhere. Behind me is Le Pirate Beach Club, quite famous place, but not anymore. I mean, not at the moment. For sure everything will back to normal later, but at the moment it's like stop in the time. Okay, I'm like 50% of the road, making like a faster on my other camera, because well, that's over 1 hour, so nobody will watch 1 hour, I think. So I will see how it looks on the other side, and we'll make a few shots in harbor again, probably more live there. Just passing Jumbo Lombok. Yeah, I think it's Jumbo Lombok or Jumbo Lombok. It's already on the north part of Gili Trawangan. It's open. The only one first place which is open since I go from harbor. Oh. Whew, I really have no power. And check this out. The boat. Road is finished here. Welcome to La Momba, and this street over here, as you can see, usually is full of the sellers, like street food, something like this, but literally it's nobody here. Okay, I will go to the harbor, it's not so far. Right, look, Gili Trawangan right now in November, end of November 2020. That's how it looks like over here. This is Gili Trawangan, already city, close to the harbor, already the boats. This is Gili Meno, sands from the mosque here. And beautiful sand, it's really beautiful. Oh, and hot water, very warm. I ordered some drinks, Radler, I think I deserve to cool myself. I will fly a drone and peacefully make a shot, and then I'm gonna go to the harbor. Cheers, guys. Gili Trawangan. This is the box office. You can buy 15k, only $1 American ticket to Lombok, public boat, like I cruised last time. By the way, here is the office of Eka Jaya, which is the biggest boat to Bali. Now it's going 3 times a week, so all is in the same place. If you ever come to from Bali to Gili and you wish to see north part of Lombok or something, you can jump to this ticket office. 30 minutes cruise by local boat and you're in Lombok. Over there is Lombok and definitely big rain over there, so oh dear, and I have a bike there. I mean the Daya will pick me up, so interesting, we will see. So just arrived back. If you're curious how it looks the boat, it looks like this. Was a bit shaky, so if you are seasick, maybe it's not the best idea for you, but if it's not problem, that's how it look like. We just stopped in Malimbu view. Another beautiful view over there is very huge hotel, by the way, and 2 years ago was the earthquake, what I told you already before, and before earthquake they do the grand opening. I don't know what's the name of the hotel actually, but they do the grand opening, and after that was the earthquake and the hotel like broke the fundaments or something, you know, the Pisa Tower in Italy. Now is the same with the hotel. Could you imagine that? Just after grand opening, and now is the ghost hotel, is empty probably inside, and also seems like it's like already abandoned for longer time. So yeah, the North Bali and Gili Islands was the most hurt by the earthquake 2 years ago. Very famous earthquake, by the way. Malacca Bukit something. Check this out, this road, so wild, so wide, not wild, and so empty, and some bikers. From this hill you can see all the 3 Gili Islands. The biggest one, first one, is Gili Trawangan, Gili Meno and Gili Air. And yeah, I think that's it for today's vlog. That's how it looks, the situation in Gili Trawangan, and I think in every Gili Islands is the same. So it's really not so busy, super hot like always, and beautiful water, empty beaches, so it's very nice. Yeah, that's it for today's vlog. Will be one more from Lombok before I gonna go home, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and see you tomorrow, guys. See ya, take care.